Is your daughter hair is dry, damaging, or breathless? See how this simple hot oil treatment can help. Remember, stay tuned and watch to the end. Hi everyone, in today's video I am sharing my homemade hot oil treatment recipe that I have been using on my daughter's hair. It is blend with sunflower oil, aloe vera oil, and mustard seed, plus vitamin E, rosemary essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. So I added two essential oil into it. Mind you guys, normally I usually infuse my oil before using it to my daughter, but my daughter hair oil type oil is almost finished, so the one remaining is left small, and I'm not yet prepared oil. That's why I just mix those oil and add my essential oils on it and start to apply it to my daughter. Guys, how did I use this? So after I mix the oils together, I pour it inside of that bottle that you guys saw me that I was holding, pouring the oil into my daughter's hair. So I mix everything inside there and I make the water get warm or get a little bit hot, not all that boiling water. I just make the water to get warm small because I don't want the oil to be too much hot to hurt my daughter and also hurt myself. So I just use it like warm water. I leave it inside that warm water to just make it as like a room temperature. So after I make the oil to get warm like a room temperature. After I make it the room temperature, I bring it out and I use hydrating spray. I spray my daughter hair first because some of the video I just cut some part because I don't want to make the video get long. That's why maybe when I was mixing the mixing part, you people did not see, and where the part that I was hydrating her scalp. So yesterday also, guys, I was here removing my daughter hair. Maybe you guys, I don't know, some people, those who was in my live, they may notice that yesterday I opened my daughter hair when I was in live. So after opening it, I went ahead and washed everything. So after washing everything, today I'm doing my hot oil treatment. So the hair is already clean. Before you make your hot oil treatment, you have to make sure that, oh my god, look at the voice of my daughter. I even ran away from her while making voice over, but still her voice is coming. So after wash everything, I clean everything on her hair. So today I hydrate it because the hair was dry, so I hydrate it today and I start to make the hot oil treatment. When I'm putting the oil, when I say hot oil treatment, it does not mean that the oil, you have to let the oil boiling before you use it. Otherwise you are going to hurt your child and also hurt yourself. So just make it a room temperature and apply it to your daughter hair or your hair or your scalp. Okay, so with this thing you have to be massaging it, because the most important is when you are doing the hot oil treatment, try to be massaging your scalp. Okay, because we all need it. Okay, you have to be massaging your scalp. So after massaging her scalp like this way, I'm going to be continue to massage it small. So now you can see, guys, she started to make drama on me. She doesn't want me to put my hand inside her hair because she wants something, and because I'm about to finish, so I say no, let me just finish it before I give her what she wants. So that's why she was started pushing me, throwing my hands away. I shouldn't put my hand into her hair again. So guys, it's very important, especially if it is the Harmattan time for you to be doing, or summertime for you to winter time for you to be doing hot oil treatment into your hair, because it's making our hair because of the weather, it's making our hair getting dry. So that's why it's very, very important for us to do what? For us to be doing hot oil treatment. So after everything, guys, you can see I'm using the hot cap to covering hair. First I used plastic rubber to cover hair, and now I'm using the hot cap to cover her hair. I'm going to steam her hair maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It will be okay for me, so that after that I'll remove her and go and wash it, so that tomorrow we'll continue the process. Because we all know that wash day is very, very long day, and because she's still a baby, you know, she cannot take that, you know, that her sister is back from school. So because she's still a baby, she cannot do that thing. So I have to do what I have to, just take her and go and bath her. After everything, I'll bath her. Maybe the rest I'll do it tomorrow again. So if you want to see the process, the next process that we are going to do, I will do hair mask. Please come back tomorrow, or after this video you can come back. That video is going to be next. You can see the thing get hot and she was shouting, so I used my hand to cover her ear because that part, the hot was coming, you know, too much. So that's why I used my hand to cover her ear to cover her ear, so that she will not make any drama to me. So guys, thank you very much. If you watch it up to this point and you haven't subscribed, why not please subscribe to our channel, like it and share for me, and support me and my little girl. You see what we are doing. If you want to be part of us seeing what we are doing to Princess, you know, please just subscribe, okay? Even if you don't want, just subscribe for us, okay? Yeah, subscribe for us, and that will make you, for us to grow. If you don't want to see how we are growing Princess hair, but let us see how we are growing Princess, because as we started doing this type of thing, Princess also is growing while I'm doing these things. All right, guys, Princess will be 2 years on May 5th. May she's going to be 2 years, so I cannot wait to see that day. I cannot wait to see that day. And I know her aunties out there, they are so excited to see Princess' birthday on 5th May. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much. Actually, after this thing, I don't know if she allow me, after I finish washing her, if she allow me, I'll make a picture again. If she doesn't allow me, I don't know how I'm going to do. I'll make video if she allow me. I'll make video. If she doesn't allow me, then I'll make maybe some picture to show it to you guys, maybe after the treatment, how her head is start to look, okay? And tomorrow we are going to start to make the, what's the name, tomorrow. So we are going to make the next treatment, which is going to be hair mask, okay guys? So thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to our channel, okay? I told you people that one, I'm just reminding you guys, okay? We love you people. So I'm still continue doing my work. If you like, okay, you can just follow us and be hearing what is going, or what we are doing in this, during this process. Actually, let me just take you guys to something else again, and something that I'm going to say, because we all know that sunflower oil is rich in vitamin E. Okay, so it's very good for sunflower oil. Is very, very nice, especially those who have a low prostate hair. Some people like my daughter is having low prostate hair, so sunflower oil is very good for her hair. So if you also have some low prostate hair, try to be adding it to your thing. And that's the oil that I know that is very simple and easier for everyone, can just do what you can just get it. So try your best to be added. And also those who doesn't know their hair type, it's good for you guys to know your hair type, because for you to know your hair type, that will make you use the right oil into your hair, so that you will not do what, you will not spoil or damaging, you will not damage your hair. If you know the right oil, you will not damage your hair. And aloe vera oil also, it also contains vitamin A and C and E. Just imagine all these vitamins, natural vitamins, you know, our scalp need it, our head need it. It's bye bye. Tell them bye bye. Bye bye. This you have to come this way. Mama. Yeah, I will brush. Say bye bye. Subscribe to Mama's channel. Say bye bye. You also say bye bye. Subscribe to Auntie channel. Okay. Bye bye. No, here. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Auntie channel. Okay. Subscribe to Auntie channel. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Subscribe to Mama channel. Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.
Subscribe and tell me. Yeah.